How's everybody doing this morning? This is Todd from Reap What You Sow. Well, guys, I got my saw blades in from Woodmizer. I've been running just a regular combination blade on there. They've been doing fine. I've had no problems sharpening them, setting them. Everything's working fine. But I'm trying out the turbo blades. And they say they cut faster. We're going to find out. Let's see what they do. It is 50-something degrees this morning. I think it's 56. Beautiful weather in Louisiana. I mean, I got a long sleeve shirt on, but I don't need it. It's nice. It's no humidity. Real nice weather this morning. I love working in weather like this. A lot of people's duck hunting and getting all that ready. I'm waiting on deer season. I'm ready to go bow hunting, getting everything set up. I'll show y'all the camera setup and how that feeder's going. See if the coons, it's keeping the coons off there. You know, them little buggers, they'll get into anything, but I'm gonna show you what's happening. But guys, I wanna show you the difference in these saw blades this morning. Stick with me, we're gonna cut some 2x4s out of this cypress log. It's a little 8'6" cypress log, handrail with it. A friend of mine down the road, so let's see what happens. All right, this is the two blades. This is the one I was just cutting with. Which actually is still sharp, doing fine. This is the turbo blade. I know it's hard to see and tell what's going on. I'm going to put them on top of each other and let you see. What it is, they got more, it's not the set in the tooth, it is the angle of this tooth right here. I know the gullet is deeper, but the angle is a little bit different. Let me see if I can get it side by side where y'all can see. It's hard to do with one hand. All right, now you can see it. This is your turbo blade. This is your regular blade. This angle coming back down right here is different. It's steeper, and you can feel that it's a lot sharper point. See how it comes more to a point? And also the gullet right here. This bottom part, this right here is your gullet, is deeper than these. So when I go to sharpen this, I'm going to have to sharpen them different. I have to keep all these blades together because it's going to be different on my sharpener. Guys, I'm going to put it on there and give it a shot and see if I can tell the difference. That's why I left the old blade on there first. It's actually a sharp blade, but it's a regular blade. I'm going to cut with it, and now I'm going to put the turbo blade on there and see if I can feel the difference in this machine. I know they show this all over the internet, how to do it. Thumbs on top, thumbs in. It's best to wear gloves. I don't have them on. You twist in and you bounce it at one time. See, it didn't work that time. You catch it right here on the top, bend down, twist, and turn. I got to do it all in one motion for it to do right. That's how I roll them up. Your new blades are always, you can feel the real sharpness on them. What the deal is with that door? It does not want to stay open. Let me stick something in there so y'all can see. These things here just got a sharp point on them. I always put my hands in the back right here. I grab this, there's a belt that goes around. Pull that belt up with my fingers and push down and in with my thumbs. Yeah, it popped off. And you just kind of walk it on. That's this the tensioner. And I always turn it a little bit. That lines it up. Let's try it out. upstairs, I flipped them over. I cut up, I got 3 2x4s coming off at one time. Well, I cut down until I got a good flat side, good 90 degree. Flipped all 3 of them over, and I'm gonna cut again. That way, when you get down to your last board, you don't have to worry about your little wheel on the side, which is holding it in. It's got a flat side on it, and it holds it up against it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about right here. See, if I wouldn't have a flat side on it, perfect, this little lip right here wouldn't catch. You got to have it like, it's hard to do this with one hand. You got to have it like that. Okay, now when it's flat, you can turn this down. Now I can turn it like this, slide it in. And then tighten it down. Always remember this right here, all the way down. Because that way I can cut it 1.5 inches and take that off. Let's see how I got the bad side right here. This was on the bottom, it would have given me problems. Once you flip it over, then I'm good to cut. Pretty little boards. 19 perfect 2x4s for a railing around the porch. I'm gonna leave them 2x4s. If he wants to cut them down, I'll throw them back up here and cut them again. But 19 boards. This was not edited as far as the speed. That's how fast the sawmill was cutting. I noticed it was throwing out a lot more sawdust, so I mean it was cutting a little bit faster. A sharp blade is going to cut faster anyway, but I can tell the difference. It's a better blade. The only reason I got them this time instead of getting the standard blades is the availability. The other blades that I was getting before takes longer to get. Right now from Woodmizer, it takes you a little bit longer to get your blades, but I wanted to try them out. My opinion, for the price, they are a little bit more. We'll try them after we sharpen them a few times. That way I can tell you the truth of how everything works. But as of right now, thumbs up. I like them. Guys, I hope you enjoy this. I have more videos on Sawmill of how to cut down to scale 2x4s and how I cut them. I do it a little bit different than other people, but it's the way I was taught and the way I like to do it. Seems to work out good for me. Appreciate you guys. God bless. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Yeah, go feed them. Go feed the guys. Y'all gotta let them eat.
Oh, I was good.
Charlie.
No!
This. Go feed Gracie, Emmy. That's Willow.
You ready?
You got go feed him, Em.
There y'all go. Daddy, do I give him more?
Mm-mm.
No.
Emmy, go feed him.
Go feed him. Shake it, yeah. Is that great?
They hungry. That's
That's
that
right.
mama.
What?
That's mama.
That's mine. Hey, why is there waiting for me? Where's
Gracie's right in front of you. That little black and white goat, Charlie.
this one?
No, that's Katie. No.
Hi,
Yep. Nope. That one right there. That one. That's Gracie.